LG offers some of the best TVs on the market right now, especially its range of 4K OLEDs. However, TVs like these come with some very high price tags, so it's always nice when deals on them pop up throughout the year. Thankfully, Best Buy is one such retailer with an excellent offer right now on the 65-inch LG C4 4K OLED. The 65-inch LG C4 is currently enjoying a $1,200 discount at Best Buy, dropping its price from $2,699.99 to $1,499.99. That's a discount of 44%. It's not far off from its lowest price ever either. Price tracker Kamal has the lowest price ever for the 65-inch LG C4 listed as $1,423.98 at Amazon a little while back. So you're still scoring a phenomenal discount on one of the best TVs available at the moment, alongside an OLED display that offers an astonishing picture. It's also a smart TV with Alexa built in. Not to mention, it features Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, alongside a variety of other features for movie lovers and gamers to feel fully absorbed in their favorite entertainment. All of this bundled into a sleek design that blends in nicely to whichever room you choose to put it in. TV deals like this don't come around very often, so if you've had your eye on the LG C4 to upgrade your TV setup, check out this deal at Best Buy. If you want to see even more TVs on sale, make sure to keep your eyes on the Black Friday sale event. Some retailers have already dropped information on when to expect their sales throughout the month, so make sure to have a look at our breakdowns of Walmart, Target, and Best Buy's Black Friday sales. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Like the video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps the channel grow.